In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the sun and its radiance, and the moon as it follows it, and the day as it reveals it, and the night as it conceals it, and the sky and he who built it, and the earth and he who spread it, and the soul and he who proportioned it, and inspired it with its wickedness and its righteousness. Successful is he who purifies it. Failing is he who corrupts it. Thamud denied in its pride, when it followed its most wicked. The messenger of Allah said to them, "This is the she-camel of Allah, so let her drink." But they called him a liar, and hamstrung her. So their Lord crushed them for their sin, and leveled it. And he does not fear its sequel. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the night as it covers, and the day as it reveals, and he who created the male and the female, your endeavors are indeed diverse. As for him who gives and is righteous, and confirms goodness, we will ease his way towards ease. But as for him who is stingy and complacent, and denies goodness, we will ease his way towards difficulty, and his money will not avail him when he plummets. It is upon us to guide, and to us belong the last and the first. I have warned you of a fierce blaze. None will burn in it except the very wicked, he who denies and turns away. But the devout will avoid it. He who gives his money to become pure, seeking no favor in return, only seeking the acceptance of his Lord, the Most High, and he will be satisfied. In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. By the morning light, and the night as it settles, your Lord did not abandon you, nor did he forget. The hereafter is better for you than the first, and your Lord will give you, and you will be satisfied. Did he not find you orphaned, and sheltered you, and found you wandering, and guided you, and found you in need, and enriched you? Therefore, do not mistreat the orphan, nor rebuff the seeker, but proclaim the blessings of your Lord.